How to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Then, on the right side, click on the arrow-like option, which will expand these options. In here, you'll find tone. Simply click on tone and then select the tone you want or which is suitable for your device. Then click Snap as usual. Then simply send it or add story and it will be uploaded in high quality if you have toned everything. And this is how to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.